Hey everyone, so we are 6 days out from my India Pro Show, which I'm really excited for. So we fly on Wednesday in 2 days, and I've checked in this morning, I've actually hit a new low, so I'm currently 53 kg. Richie has gone over my check-in, happy with the look. Increasing food a little bit from today, probably for the next 3 days, and then going hard, I'm guessing, with a carb up on maybe Thursday, maybe Friday, pull back Saturday, so that's the plan. So meal one is 140 grams of bread, 2 big medallions and 2 eggs. I've just come back from having my toenails done. So I'm going to do my tablets. So we have these containers, AM and PM tablets. So we use Trained by JP tablets. So got like Vitsi, Digestive, Pharma Pro. Take them with 3 meals a day. We've got Omegas, D3, magnesium, Ensure tablets for ready when we carb up to help push the carbs, Peak Max, water tablets. We may start using them towards the end of the week when we're carbing up to help pull some water. We'll see how my body responds daily as to if we're using these and if how much so, etc, etc. Richie will make those calls. So yeah, I'm just doing my supplements now, then I'll try and pack a little bit. And I am just prepping meal 2, which is chicken, asparagus, spinach, rice, peanut butter. Before I go to the hairdressers, I'll put the peanut butter on top and warm it all up in the microwave and then eat it in the hairdressers then. So get my roots done, had my nails done, got a massage later, and going to attempt maybe a light shoulder session today. I haven't trained or done cardio since Friday because I've been ill. Saturday I was pretty much on the sofa all day, Sunday again pretty much all day, and Friday afternoon on the sofa as well. So today my energy is much better, but I'm still full up and just exhausted. But it's a good thing because it is Monday, the show's not till Sunday, and I'm getting better every day. Great that I've had it now and not next week or the week after, because I've got Spain the week after India. So I've started putting stuff together. This is my new bikini and we are going for red. But I'll probably take my blue one as a spare, just in case. You never know if something breaks. I think I'll take both of them, but I'm set on the red to wear. Got my robe, pump up things. This is for the airport. Got a spare pair of heels. My other ones are in the gym at the moment. Some gym kit, tanning stuff. Just had my roots done. Thanks, Al.
And I'll push yourself.
I know. 10 reps at 12 and a half. I normally do 20 kg.
She's ill. She needs to rest and recover.
My waist part of my body, shoulders.
You're a part to train.
Hard to train. So I've just come back from training in the gym, did a little bit of a shoulder session, but nothing crazy because I'm still not feeling 100%. And I've just made my salmon rice meal here. So I've got 125 grams of rice, 100 grams of salmon and some spinach, and then a squeeze bar. But I just got a little bit more energy, I've been feeling much better. So I breathed a couple of weeks ago, it was Friday actually. Oh no, it wasn't. Like pains and niggles. So I just come back from my massage with Grace. I literally have a massage every single week. So this is my meal 4. We have 125 grams of rice, asparagus, spinach, 100 grams of chicken, 15 grams of peanut butter, and a squeeze bar. My meal 5 is a little bit of chicken, asparagus, spinach with some cinnamon and salt. And then we are going to have a nice big bowl of oats, blueberries and peanut butter, which is my favourite. This is my second part of meal 5. My last meal is 8 o'clock and I'm literally going to be eating this and going to bed because I'm so tired. I'm still not 100%, but I'm hoping to wake up tomorrow morning feeling 100%. So we have 80 grams of oats, 75 grams of blueberries and 15 grams of peanut butter. So I made it and then I put it in the freezer so it's nice and cold now. So in total today, 2,500 calories, just over 300 grams of carbs, 80 grams of fats, and 150 grams of protein. We are thinking of holding this food for 3 days, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then carb up a little bit more on Thursday. Tuesday morning, it is 5 days out from my show, and I've woke up today actually feeling worse than yesterday because I'm still ill. So I've got a lemon sip with a little bit of Manuka honey, which I'll macro track and take out some carbs to have this to try and make me feel a little bit better. So my weight is up a pound. Plan today is the same foods as yesterday. Busy day of client check-ins. I went down the gym, did my check-in this morning, dropped all into nursery. I've done a load of check-ins. I've then had opposing clients online, then gone to get my eyebrows done, and I've just come back now. So I've got a couple more check-ins to finish, 2 new starter plans to do today as well, and rest. Richie has said not to train, rest, recover. We finished packing. I prepped all my meals this morning, ready to take with us because we'll be flying all day tomorrow.